Your 2012 to 2013 Hyundai Elantra key fob likely uses a CR2032 battery. When it dies, the remote stops working. Luckily, replacement is easy. First, gather a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. Locate the small notch on the key fob near the keyring attachment. Insert the screwdriver into the notch and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful, as the plastic can be fragile. Once open, remove the old battery, noting its orientation with positive side up. Install the new battery in the same orientation. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the remote by pressing the buttons within 5 to 10 feet of your car. If the case is stuck, try warming it slightly with a hairdryer or applying silicone spray to the clips. If the remote still doesn't work after battery replacement, try cleaning the battery contacts inside the fob with isopropyl alcohol. Corrosion is a common culprit. Ensure you've installed the battery with the correct polarity. If issues persist, the fob might need reprogramming. Dealerships charge for this, but you can sometimes do it yourself using a Hyundai-compatible OBD2 scanner and programming app. Forcing the case open can damage the plastic, so be patient. Don't use excessive force. Consider using a fob-specific opening tool to avoid scratches. Using a CR2025 battery instead of a CR2032 may work in a pinch but is not recommended long-term.